Welcome back to AZCoiner Crypto Update. Get ready to buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into a juicy topic that's been taking over the headlines: Dogecoin and the whale frenzy. You might have heard about those whales that scooped up a mind-blowing $56 million worth of Doge in just 24 hours. But, wait, before you grab your Dogecoin bags and start imagining a mansion, there's more to the story. Could all this whale activity be the magic potion for a lasting rally, or is it just the latest crypto fantasy ready to burst? In today's video, I'm going to break it down. We'll explore the impact of these whales, why they're going all in on Dogecoin, and whether their big bets are enough to keep this rocket flying or if Doge might just come crashing back down to earth. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end to hear my take on whether you should be loading up on Doge or sitting on the sidelines with your popcorn. Let's get started. Hey there, AZCoiner Crypto Update family. If you're new here, welcome to the best place on the internet for all things crypto, with a touch of humor and a whole lot of real talk. We break down complex crypto news and trends in a way that actually makes sense, no jargon, no fluff. So if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, and join the ride to the moon, or, well, to the best crypto analysis on YouTube. Now, let's jump into the juicy stuff. Today, we're talking about none other than Dogecoin, the meme coin that just won't quit. It's been going through a massive surge, and the whales have been making some serious moves. But there's a catch: this isn't just another to the moon narrative. We've got some important things to consider before you go all in on Doge. So grab your favorite beverage and let's dive in. Now, here's the real question: is this whale-driven Dogecoin rally sustainable, or are we just witnessing another meme-powered surge? Stick around, because, by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to make your own call. Can Doge really keep pushing higher, or is it setting up for a massive fall? You don't want to miss this, trust me. Let's set the stage here. Dogecoin has been on a wild ride lately, and by wild ride, I mean a straight-up rocket to the top. Over the past week, Dogecoin's value surged by a whopping 88%. I mean, seriously, that's the kind of price jump that gets crypto fans yelling to their friends about it in group chats. At one point, Dogecoin briefly touched the 43-cent mark, which is huge considering it had been hanging around the $0.25, $0.30 range for a while. But before you start imagining that Dogecoin millionaire lifestyle, the price quickly pulled back a little. No surprise there after all, we know how this market works. Here's where the plot thickens: as the price dropped back a bit, the big players, the whales, started scooping up Dogecoin like it was a Black Friday sale at the crypto store. According to a tweet from Ali, a crypto analyst with a keen eye for these things, Dogecoin whales grabbed 140 million Doge, which was worth around $56 million in just 24 hours. That's a serious cash injection for a meme coin, right? These whales are not messing around. So, it's not just a handful of whales buying up Doge. The data from Into the Block shows that there's a serious uptick in the number of addresses holding larger amounts of Doge. Specifically, we saw a 140% increase in addresses holding between $10,000 and $100,000 worth of Doge, and a 199% increase in wallets holding between $100,000 and $1 million in Doge. Plus, we even saw a 155% rise in addresses holding $10 million or more. I mean, these numbers are off the charts. So, it seems like Dogecoin is drawing in the big fish, who are clearly confident in its potential. But, just because the whales are loading up, does that mean we should all be jumping on the Dogecoin train? Not so fast. Look, I get it, you're probably thinking, okay, the whales are buying, and now I should too, right? I mean, who doesn't want to be a part of the next big crypto success? But here's the thing: whales are known for their ability to move the market, and while that can be great for short-term price surges, it's not always a guaranteed win for retail investors. In fact, you've probably seen the memes. Whales are like that one friend who always manages to snag the last piece of pizza, leaving you wondering, how did they get there so fast? They've got the means to get in early, but when things turn south, they're the first ones out, leaving the rest of us with an empty plate. So, while these whales might be the life of the party now, we've got to consider whether they're just creating a temporary spike or if Doge can hold its ground. Okay, so let's take a step back and consider some of the warning signs here. Sure, Dogecoin's price surged, and the whales are getting involved, but there are a few key metrics that might not be as positive as we'd like to think. For one, trading volume has been on a sharp decline recently. If you've been around the crypto scene for a while, you know that trading volume is one of the most important indicators of whether a trend is likely to continue. A drop in trading volume is like the engine sputtering in your car. It's not exactly the kind of signal you want when you're trying to ride a wave to the moon. Secondly, let's talk about MVRV, market value to realized value. This is another important metric that shows whether the price is overvalued or undervalued. Right now, the MVRV ratio for Dogecoin is sitting at 27.9%, which, according to some analysts, signals that short-term holders are in the green while long-term holders are more likely to be in the red. This could be an indication that the market might not be as healthy as it looks. It's kind of like buying a brand new pair of sneakers. Sure, they look great when you first get them, but if you don't take care of them, they start looking pretty beat up after a few weeks. In the crypto world, if those long-term holders start feeling the pinch, they might sell off, and the whole thing could come crashing down faster than a crypto newbie trying to explain blockchain to their grandma. And just when you thought it couldn't get any more interesting, we have another potential red flag. CoinGlass reported that Dogecoin's long/short ratio has been trending in favor of short positions, meaning more people are betting that the price of Doge will drop rather than rise. This shift in market sentiment could signal a trend reversal, and if that happens, we might see Doge pull back to around the $0.371 mark. And it's a big but, if Doge manages to defy the odds and break through the 42 cents resistance level, we could see another surge. If that happens, it's going to be party time for Dogecoin fans. But that's a big if, especially when the market is looking a bit shaky. Now, if you're enjoying the deep dive into Dogecoin's market moves, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update. You don't want to miss out on the latest crypto news and analysis. Alright, let's wrap this up. Dogecoin's future is looking wildly unpredictable, with whales playing a big role in the price action. While their confidence has helped boost the price, we can't ignore the other signs that are pointing to a potential pullback. The question now is whether Doge can break through those key resistance levels and keep the rally going, or if the whales are just creating another temporary pump. Thanks for sticking with me through all the twists and turns in this story. If you're still not sure where you stand on Dogecoin, make sure to check out our other videos where we dive deeper into crypto trends and predictions. Your investment strategy should be as well informed as possible. Until next time, this is Zaki Crypto Update. Catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay smart, and as always, happy trading. And remember, all opinions shared in this video are for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions.